Hi, scholars. I'm glad you're back because today we're going to move on to a new planet. The second planet from the Sun is Venus. Now, Venus, as you can see, is a lovely planet. As a matter of fact, it looks so beautiful in the sky that the ancient Greeks and Romans named it after their goddess for love and beauty. And the symbol for Venus looks like a hand mirror, a mirror that you would hold in your hand. Some of you may also recognize that symbol as the symbol for female. Now, Venus is similar to Earth in size and also in structure. It has a core, a hot mantle, and a solid crust. But Venus would be Earth's evil twin, and I'm going to tell you why. First of all, its atmosphere is toxic to human beings. It's almost entirely made out of carbon dioxide, which is poisonous for humans to breathe. Not only that, thick sulfuric gases create clouds around the whole planet, and that's why it looks yellow to us. Now, these clouds are constantly raining down acid rain, thick, dangerous acid rain, onto the planet's surface. Now, if an astronaut were able to wear a spacesuit that would protect them from the gases and the acid rain, as soon as they stepped outside of their spacecraft, they would be crushed like a tin can because Venus's atmosphere is 90 times heavier than Earth's atmosphere, meaning that people would be crushed by the pressure of the air above them. It also wins the prize for the hottest planet in the solar system. It's even hotter than Mercury. It's close to the sun, but it's hotter than Mercury because it is surrounded by a very, very thick layer of gases that trap the heat onto the planet's surface. Not only that, it's covered in many, many active volcanoes, well over 1,000 large volcanoes. And these volcanoes are constantly exploding, leading lava everywhere, rocks raining down on the surface. That would definitely be bad for astronauts to be living in. Now, Venus, interestingly, spins backwards compared to the other planets in the solar system. Most of the planets spin the way the Earth does, which is kind of like counterclockwise. But Venus spins clockwise. It wouldn't really necessarily make a difference for humans. It's just an interesting fact about the planet. It also spins very slowly, slower than any other planet. As a matter of fact, Venus spins so slowly that its day is longer than its year. I really want you to watch this video. You've got to watch it in order to do the project. This video explores whether or not we should colonize Venus instead of Mars. And in the video, they tell you about some of the good reasons that astronauts should go to Venus. Here's why you need to watch it. You are going to write a letter to NASA, and your task is to convince them whether or not human beings should colonize Venus. Now, whatever you choose, it doesn't matter. I don't care if you choose whether humans should go to Venus or not go to Venus. But what you do need to do is back it up with facts from either this video or the other video that I'm going to have you watch. Since this is a little bit of a more challenging task than most of the assignments I give you, I'm going to give you a day to do it. It only needs to be one paragraph about why we should go to Venus or not go to Venus. But you have no social studies work today because I want you to focus all your efforts on this one paragraph letter to NASA. Please remember to include your name after the word sincerely. Scholars, please, as always, stay safe and keep learning. Bye-bye.